everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever heard the word side hustle or part time? Are you currently doing any side hustle? If not, or if you are thinking to start soon, then this video is going to be a super important for you. We will explore the incredible potential of side hustle, passive income, and retirement planning in today's session. We will not only uncover the path to financial freedom, but also reveal the secrets to gaining time freedom and location freedom. Get ready because next few minutes is going to be a game changer for you. I'm going to discuss and explain 5 simple aspects related to this topic today, like what is common dilemma, how it can empower you, practical challenges, some real life examples, and finally how it can make achieve you freedom. So let's start with the first, side hustle and dilemma. We understand with this real life situation. Rajesh, a 45-year-old salaried person who started planning for his retirement very late. His monthly expenses are rising day by day and inflation is also increasing fast. Now the question is how he will ever reach his retirement goal, which seems like climbing a mountain. Stay with us to find out how having a part-time job could really make a big difference for him. Like Rajesh, there are many of us who are stuck in similar situation. The challenging financial goal might appear hard to achieve. However, in this situation, side hustle can help you to come out from this. Now, what is the power of side hustle? India is a diverse land of opportunities and side hustle provides promising possibility for financial freedom. Even you have started late towards your financial planning, side hustle can serve as a financial safety and effective money generating means to secure your comfortable retirement. What is the practicality of side hustle? Have you ever think that? Now the question is, side hustle truly be a game changer for financial freedom? To find this answer, let's consider the journey of Rajesh, a 40-year-old IT professional. He understood that in ever-expanding tech world, the potential for a side hustle was huge. He decided to develop a mobile app for general users. He dedicated his weekends to this work. Over that time, his app gained popularity and acceptance and he began generating rupees 1 lakh per month in revenue. Ramesh's story serves as an example to the fact that with dedication and the right approach, financial freedom, though side hustle is indeed achievable. Can you imagine how side hustle can help to get some freedom in your life? Side hustle offers a unique promise. It's not just about financial freedom. Side hustle unlocks something extraordinary independence, like time and location. Let me share my view how side hustle can offer you the flexibility to enjoy life your way, regardless of where you are or where you are going. That is, be your own boss. So let's discuss financial freedom. By generating extra income through a side hustle, you can reduce the financial burden of your retirement. This is not only empowers you to live more comfortably, but also relieves the fear associated with retirement planning. Time freedom. A side hustle can be a part-time commitment that doesn't require the full extent of your day. It allows you to retain your regular job while building an additional income stream during your free hours. This approach offers a flexible way to earn, ensure you still have time for your family, for your personal choices. And what is location freedom? How it gives you location freedom? This means that you can maintain your side hustle whether you are in busiest city like Mumbai or enjoying your old memories of a remote village of your hometown. This ability to work from different locations can be beneficial and continued during your retirement years. In an internet era, side hustle can often be managed from anywhere. Now, the question is, what is side hustle and passive income? Now, before we move further to the topic, let's understand the importance of passive income. I will reveal how passive income can become your financial buddy in the rich and diverse marketplace of country like India. Passive income doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing less for a continued longer time. In the Indian scenario, passive income can manifest in various ways, for rental properties to dividend, investment from stock and bonds. What is a possible common mistake or common myths in pursuit of passive income? So, India is a dynamic market, offers a lots of possibilities for generating passive income. However, understanding the common mistakes can make a big difference. I will talk some common mistakes. Number one, what is the myth? Passive income is a silver spoon. It's not like that. To earn passive income, continuously minimum effort is definitely needed. Example, you own a property which is given on rent, while the rental income provided a regular source of passive income. You need to dedicate some time to maintain or look after the property, manage tenants, and ensure it remains attractive rental option. What is the short-term mindset? While working with side hustle, in context of generating an extra income, patience is the key. Many individuals want instant results and become disappointed when they don't get quick gains. Passive income often requires time to establish, but once it's in place, it can provide a consistent financial buffer. People do quantity over quality. Tempting too much sale without quality will surely destroy future benefit. A person can end up to sell low value or subpar products and services which can damage his or her reputation and hindering their long-term growth. It's time to take action. I'll guide you the process of starting your own side hustle in a very simple manner. This will inspire you to identify a problem you are passionate about and turn it into a successful side hustle. Start small and build expertise. Rome is not built in a day. Let's imagine you are a history lover who recognized the potential of India's rich culture diversity. You started a side hustle by offering cultural experiences to tourists. At first, your income could be average, but you dedicated time to build expertise in various aspects of Indian culture and history to start your own venture. Your unique and personalized tours experience for travelers can provide you a substantial side income. Promote your expertise. In the age of digital connectivity, India's online market offers vast opportunities to promote your expertise and build an audience. By sharing your knowledge and experiences on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, or your own blog, you can build a community and establish your own reputation. Some of the skills such as teacher, photographer, musician, dancer, painting, accounting, cooking, all these are best fit to start your side hustle. What will you sacrifice if you are starting your side hustle? Wait. The road is going to be smooth. Rather accept a bumpy ride. As rightly said, no gain without pain. Building a side hustle, especially one that generates passive income, may require some sacrifices in the beginning. You will often find a number of people around you who put in early effort to start side hustle for a comfortable and secure retirement. Learn how patience and dedication can lead to financial freedom. So, here is the summary. We have uncovered the secrets to financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom, and share real stories of individuals who transform their life by following their passion. As you board your own journey to financial security, remember that the path was not always be easy, but definitely rewarding. So go forth and start building your side hustle today. This comprehensive guide is your first step to the journey for financial security. Now, let me reveal a secret with you that I started my side hustle when I was teenager by teaching students in my society. Please tell me in comment section when you started your first side hustle. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family so that they can also understand the importance of side hustle. Don't forget to press like and subscribe button. Thank you. I will see you soon with another insightful talk. Bye-bye.